Good afternoon. Welcome to Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. My name is Beth, and I hope that you are with me today, not having to deal with a hurricane. This is the remnants of Ian that you're seeing here. Sorry, it's a little bit fuzzy. But so I decided that today, instead of just listening to the rain and the wind, I would paint something. So I divided my paper into 4 sections, and I'm going to paint the 4 seasons. The first one is spring, and the second one is summer. And so I'm not going to talk a whole lot during this. I just wanted to introduce what I was doing and let you see that I have this divided up not particularly well. I mean, I didn't sit down with a ruler and try to figure out exactly how wide each one of these should be. But I hope you'll enjoy, and I hope maybe you'll even paint along with me. I will interrupt here just for a moment. This was white gouache that I decided to put with some of the Winsor & Newton permanent rose so that I would get a nice opaque pink. I wanted to make, oh, I don't know, maybe they're peach blossoms, maybe they're cherry blossoms, depending on which you like better. But they are just being sprinkled across this branch to indicate spring flowering. So here I also used the gouache to maybe make that orange a little bit less bright and bold. I wanted to pink it down a little bit. And that about does the painting for today. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you will like and subscribe. I am really enjoying doing these 4 seasons. I may actually go ahead and do fall and winter next, and hopefully Ian won't be a part of that video. But yeah, this was kind of fun, and it was a fun thing to do on a very rainy, very, very stormy day. I would be curious to know what you do with your paints on days like this. If you enjoy, just sitting back and trying to relax and paint a little bit and come up with something interesting and innovative. Actually, just a few minutes after I finished filming this, a huge branch fell on our deck. Missed the house, but it fell on our deck, and yeah, that was fun. So here you go. Here's the storm, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Y'all stay safe.